In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Apple Creator Studio on your iPhone. Apple Creator Studio is a suite of creative apps that you can access via a subscription. Think of it as Apple's answer to the Adobe Creative Cloud, where you can access Premiere Pro, Photoshop, etc. via a subscription. Just bear in mind that all these applications are available on Mac and iPad, but only a few of them are available on iPhone as of recording this video. We can scroll down here and see the list of available apps that are part of the Apple Creator Studio. To download the Apple Creator Studio, we first want to download the individual application that we want. So to do this, we first need to open the App Store, and then you want to search for the application. The one we are looking for today is called Numbers. Once we've searched for it, it should be one of the top results, and in this example it looks like this. Now you want to go ahead and download the application just as you normally would. Once we've downloaded the application, we just need to subscribe to Apple Creator Studio. So to do this, we first want to open the application that we just downloaded. Here you're going to get a splash screen of all of the exclusive features that are new to Numbers with Apple Creator Studio. So once we're ready, we're going to select Continue. With the Numbers application specifically, there is a free version, so we can start using it just as we normally would, and we can pick up where we left off using our iPad or Mac. However, this isn't the case for every application, so if you want to unlock the full suite of features, you will need to subscribe to Apple Creator Studio. So to do this, we're going to select the Apple Creator Studio prompt, and then you will see a pop-up which looks like this, where we can go ahead and accept our free trial. However, if you want to see more plans, you want to select See All Plans, and then you want to go ahead and choose one from this list here. Once we've done that, we're going to select Accept Free Trial, and then we want to use Apple Pay to purchase our Apple Creator Studio subscription. Now we've done this, we can go ahead and start using the application just as we normally would. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below.